today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Photopea to export an image, whether as a PNG or JPG file. This guide is perfect if you're trying to learn how to manage your image exports easily and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, to begin this process, you'll want to head over to your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Photopea. If you're unfamiliar with Photopea, it's an advanced image editor that's accessible directly in your browser. This makes it super convenient for anyone wanting some of the robust features you find in traditional desktop software, but without having to install anything. Once the site has loaded, you should be met with the Photopea interface, which closely resembles other photo editing software you might be accustomed to. With Photopea open, the next thing you'll want to do is locate your project file. Let's assume you've already got your project open and you're ready to save it as an image file. The first step in exporting your project is to go to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find a menu item labeled File. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll see an option that says Export As. Selecting this will open up a range of file format options for you to choose from. Now, choosing the correct file format is important depending on what you want to do with your image. If you're unsure about which format to go with, here are a few quick tips. If you need a format that maintains transparency and provides a higher quality image, go with PNG. However, if you're looking for a format that's more widely compatible and you'd like to save on file size, JPG is a great choice. So pick either PNG or JPG based on your needs. Once you've selected your preferred format, a dialog box will appear. This box will allow you to adjust settings specific to the format you've chosen, like image quality for the JPG. After making any necessary adjustments, you'll want to click on the Save button. At this point, your file will be processed and then downloaded to your computer. You can find it in your usual downloads folder unless you've specified a different location beforehand. And there you have it. You're done. You've successfully exported your image from Photopea to your desired file format. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily manage your images and have them ready for any purpose, whether you're uploading them to a website or printing them out at home. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips and tricks.